Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something a little bit different for you guys. I never normally film a monthly plan with me, but I thought that I would. We recently changed up our monthly kits, so I thought I would show you how I lay everything down and how I normally kind of get the base down. I do use my monthly spread more as a memory keeping spread rather than actually having it functional, so I'm not sure there'll be much to actually fill in, but I figured I would go through it with you guys. So I just showed you the format of our monthly kits. Our kits now do not come with date or months. Sorry, I can't speak right now. They don't come with months anymore, but we do sell months a la carte. So I think I'm actually going to use these ones. I thought I was going to use the feminine ones, but I kind of like the script ones. So I think I'm going to use that. And then this month is April, so I'm going to pull up April and just stick it down. Actually, I might stick that down after I put the days of the week down, just so I make sure that they don't mess up, or they don't what am I trying to say? Interfere, I guess. So I'm gonna lay this down. I always lay it down by putting it flush with this bar. The other side is a little bit trickier. I'm actually really interested to see what Erin Condren does with her planners for next year. I think isn't it normally around now that we get kind of sneak peeks for everything, because I'm really interested to see the changes that she makes. I don't know. I don't actually think I have whiteout, so I don't think, but we do have flags, so maybe I'll put that down actually. We do have flags in the deluxe kit, so if you do want to cover up this flag, you can do so with that. And that actually just looks really pretty on its own too. So this is a little bit harder, and especially because there's no blank box to fill in, it's a little bit harder to line up. But I think, so it was one dot above the numbers. Sorry if you can see my head. Okay, it's probably a little bit too far over to the right, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna put my days of the week down, and it always starts on Sunday. This was another request because some people use the Recollections planner, and I was offering to move the sidebar to the left, but honestly it was just really confusing me and slowing up production, so I decided just to take them out completely and just have them be my neighbors are fighting. Oh, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Apartment living. Anyway, I just decided to take them off of the kit completely and just have them be separate things, or separate stickers altogether. It's really crazy. I can hear my downstairs neighbors when they fight, and this kid, teenagers, man, they are the worst. I don't even know if he's a teenager, if he's a young adult, but he talks to his mom like she's trash. Anyway, so those are the days of the week down. That's super easy. I feel when people see that, they think it's going to be really hard, but it's actually really easy to put down. So I'm going to open this back up. And in our deluxe kit, we also started doing washi strips. So there are a set of 3 and then a set of 2 days that aren't part of the week, or part of the month, sorry. So I'm going to put this, so if you see on our kits, I have a 3 strip and a 1, and then I have 2 strips on there too, so you can kind of use it however your little heart desires. So I'm gonna put this down there, and then I'm gonna take the 2 and put that down there. So that is perfect. Then I don't know what I want to do with my sidebar. Actually, I do want to use the spending. I did pull out our finances add-on. I want to use the spending one, and I'm not using it really for personal spending. I'm more going to use it for like shop spending. I'm going to put it upside down. Sorry guys. But yeah, I'm going to use it more for shop spending just so I can keep track of my spending on the shop. And then I think for the other ones, I want to do a to-do this month. I always like to do red this month, but honestly, like I'm not really getting through more than one book a month, so it always just kind of is wasted. And then I'm gonna do highlights. I really like doing the highlights one. Oops. Just whacked my elbow against my desk. Can you guys tell it's been a while since I filmed a play with me? Sorry, this is all upside down. I just find it a lot easier to line these stickers up when it's upside down. And then I'm gonna do a next month as well. I hope these all fit. They should. Yeah, totally fits. So that is my sidebar done. And then I'm gonna go in and put, I don't think I have any birthdays in April. I do have my mom's visa interview date that I want to mark off, so I'm going to use one of the full boxes, and I think I'm going to use this one. Baymax is about to jump up. No, no. So I'm going to use this full box. Her visa interview date is finally on the, oh, Baymax is up, the 17th of April. So we're really excited about that. And then my dad and her should be here by the beginning of May, which is really exciting. Baymax, no. And then honestly, that is how my spreads normally turn out. So let me flip back to, hold on, what month do I want to flip back? I'll flip back to November. So if you flip back to November, like I really just put like the base stuff down, and then I fill everything else in with like either character stickers or other stickers from my shop. I don't really mark my like bills or anything in my planner. I really just wanted to use this finances add-on for the spending sidebar, even though we do have them in my shop a la carte, so you don't really have to buy the spending or the finances add-on if you don't necessarily need it. But yeah, I think honestly that's going to be it. We don't really have a ton going on in April, but I do just like to fill it in with memories and something nice that happens each day. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you a little bit of an insight into how our monthly kits work. I think they work really great, and now that we offer like all this customization, you can really use them for any planner that you have. So short and sweet video, you guys, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.